Alright, let's find the value, say, of I to the x equals 5 or something like that. So first you say the ln on both sides. So ln I x equals ln 5. Bring the x down. So x ln I equals ln 5. Divide by ln I. So you're going to have x equals ln 5 over ln I. Just find the value of ln I. So as a reminder, we do that by, okay, so draw a little circle here. So this is pi over 2 radians. When you're up here, this is the value of I. So this is 1 unit this way. And it's pi over 2 radians. So what you can do is the following. You can take your I and you can write it as 1 from here. And then E with the angle, pi over 2 with the I. So you have the exponential version of it. You can use that here. So you're going to have x equals ln 5, the principal value, ln, and then replace I with e raised to the pi over 2I. Again, by the rules of logarithms, you just bring this down now. So you're going to have ln 5 divided by, so pi over 2I on the bottom here. You should be able to see that still. And ln of e just goes away. And then from here, you can just do this on your own. So you finish it, okay? That's your job. Maybe divide, whatever. Thanks so much for watching. If you like quizzes, I have a lot of quizzes on my community tab.